Dear viewers, I have appeared in front of you here again. Today I will present an instructional video. My topic today is about Elementor Page Builder. With this video, watch this video carefully and you will benefit even a little bit. Elementor is a web creation platform. It has a pixel perfect designs. With Elementor's robust design features, you can create unique shopping websites. Adjust every element's specific positioning, padding, and margin exactly as you want it. Down to the very last pixel, elevate your website design with over 40 widgets and features like box, shadow, background overlays, hover effects, headlines, effects, animations, gradient backgrounds, CSS, transform, marks option, shape dividers, and many more. Elementor has a full website kits and template library. Save valuable time, jump into your website creation process, or find inspiration with your designer made website kits and templates. Apply a full website kit to get a website in a snap, including the home page, service page, and more. Use the library to import single pages, blogs, or pop-up templates to your website. You can also create and export your own templates and import them to another website to create a usable website blueprints and accelerate your website creation process. Elementor Page Builder's website is a fully responsive, seamlessly adjust the content and presentation of your website to every device with custom breakpoints. You can deliver the most optimized experience for each visitor, whether they are viewing your website on desktop, mobile, tablet, wide screen, and more. Accelerated creation workflow. Streamline your workflow and introduce efficient methodologies to accelerate your website creation process. Leverage global fonts and colors for consistency throughout your website. Drag media files directly from your desktop into the editor. Mark widgets as favorites. Create a blueprint of your website so you can use it and more. Take your professional workflow to the next level with dynamic content. Fast loading website. Enjoy fast loading websites that rank well on Google search. Enhance your website performance using built-in features and benefit from Elementor's ongoing performance improvements, such as reduced CSS and JS files, lazy loading, and more. To learn more, check out our next video. Promoting accessibility. Elementor is built with accessibility in mind and offers tools and enhancements to help you provide a better experience for all users. These include HTML5 semantic, full keyboard navigation menu, ongoing accessibility improvement of features, widgets, and more. Supported by a strong community, join in thriving global community that help each other achieve their goals, get answers to your questions, solve problems with other members, share knowledge, and so much more. Over 40 plus free widgets and counting. Elementor includes a variety of 40 plus free widgets for you to build professional and engaging websites. Heading. It has add eye-catching headlines. Image. Control the size, opacity, and other setting of images. Text editor. Text editor just like the WordPress editor. Video and YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted videos to your page. Button. Controlling every aspect of your button design. Image box, a box that includes image, headline, and text. Testimonials. Customer testimonials that show a special proof. Icon. Place one or more of 600 plus icons available. Icon box. Include an icon, headline, and text with one widget. Social icon. Link to your social pages with the relevant icon like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Image gallery. Displays your images in an aligned grid. Image carousel. Create a rotating carousel or slider for chosen images. Icon list. Use any icon to create a bullet list. Counter. Show stars and numbers in an escalating manner. Progress bar. Include an escalating progress bar. Tabs. Displays different pieces of content in vertical or horizontal tabs. Accordion. Display content in multiple collapsible sections. Toggle. Use the toggle to hide or display content like FAQ. Star rating. Allow your visitors to rate you on your website. Alert. Include a colored alert box to draw visitors' attention. HTML. Insert code into the page. Shortcode. Easily insert shortcodes from any plugin into the page. Menu anchor. Link any menu to this anchor. Read more. Set the read more cut off for the excerpt in archive pages. Sidebar. Add any sidebar into the page. Google Maps. Embedded maps into the page. SoundCloud. Add audio bits from SoundCloud. Divider. Separate content with a design divider. Spacer. Add space between elements. Columns. Create inner columns within the column. Text path. Attach your text to a path. Thank you for watching this video. If there is any mistake in my video, please comment. Your valuable comments will motivate me to make new videos. Thank you.